In today's video, I will walk you through how to use texture noise in Krita. To use texture noise, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the Brush Presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type texture noise. Once the texture noise brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger texture area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed noise effects. The texture noise brush in Krita is useful for adding grainy textures, rough surfaces, and random noise patterns to your artwork. It is a good choice when creating natural textures, adding surface details, or giving artwork a more textured appearance. Use a larger brush size when applying noise across wider areas, and use a smaller brush size when adding fine details and precise texture effects. After selecting the texture noise brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying noise texture effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use texture noise in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.